Hello students, it is a question in GATE 2017 from the subject Compiler Design, asked for 1 mark. It is given, consider the following intermediate program in 3 address code. What is 3 address code? It is a statement that contains at most 3 memory references, means maximum 3 references should be there in any statement that you specify. Then only we call it is a 3 address code. Now this is a 3 address code mentioned, and now question is which one of the following corresponds to a static single assignment form. Static single assignment form says all assignments in SSA are to the distinct variables, means every assignment should be to the different variable, not to the same variable. Means let us say an example. Here I do have a statement x equal to a plus b. This is one 3 address statement. If we have one more 3 address statement c plus d equal to x, it does mean that it is no longer be a static single assignment. Why? Because both assignments are to the same variable. So what SSA says, every assignment is to different variable, distinct variable, means instead of using x equal to a plus b, and one more time for c plus d is also assigned to x, we should assign to some different variable, let us say y. Now I can call this is static single assignment form. The previous one we can call only 3 address code. This is not static single assignment because both assignments are to the same variables. Now I can call it is SSA as well as 3 address code. What does it mean? Every SSA is definitely be a 3 address code, but a 3 address code need not be SSA. Okay, now check for each of the option. In option A, P1 is there in the left hand side for 2 times. Okay, here also P1, here also P1. So directly option A is wrong. In option B, P3, Q4, P4, Q5, all assignments are different. Just I will keep aside. First I am eliminating the options. In option C, P1, Q1, P3, Q2, just I am keeping that option C is also side. And D, P1, Q1, Q2, Q2. Here you observe both assignments are to the same variable Q2. So option D is wrong. So 50% of my problem is already solved. Now I have to conclude with is the answer is B or C. Okay, first I will be writing what is given in the question. P equal to A minus B, Q equal to P star C, P equal to U star V, and Q equal to P plus Q. Okay, now what is SSA? So here I'll be looking option B first. A minus B is initialized with P3. Okay, it is initialized with P3. So means this P is now we treat as P3. Now Q equal to P star C. Now what this P is now P3. It is P3 star C. This is represented with Q. Now in option B it is mentioned as Q4. Okay, now it is also valid one. Now Q is now representing as Q4. If Q is representing as Q4, now next is U star V. So you take as it is, and which is initialized to P. Now this P here in the option B it is used as P4. So this is also considered as a valid statement. And finally this Q equal to P plus Q. This P is representing the latest one P4. This Q is representing the latest one Q4. So what should be the statement? P4 plus Q4 equal to Q. But what is used in the option B? Q5. It is also perfectly valid. So that I can conclude option B is the correct answer. So that B is the answer. And before I conclude B is the answer, why C is not the correct answer, we'll check it. Okay. Now, here I am writing. First is A minus B. Okay. First is A minus B. Here is also A minus B. and represented as P1. Okay, this is now represented as P1. Next is P star C. Now this P is representing as P1. Now what it should be there in the second statement? P1 star C. But what is mentioned here? P2 star C. Means here only it is incorrect representation. Why? Because this statement should be P1 star C but not P2 star C. So option C is wrong. So I conclude that answer is option B.